What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com. I'm here with another cool key. This is the touchscreen V6 Black. Let me show you the back of it. Nice, all the way black, right? So let's go ahead and do the test on it so you can see it. Let's do the lock. Nice. Let's do the unlock. Sweet. Let's scroll over and do the trunk. Okay, let's do remote start. Perfect. Let's do that one more time, a little closer so you see the 433. Now let's hold it. You know, some cars you have to hold, and it's holding. Perfect. And now let's do the physical buttons on the side here. You got the lock, or I'm sorry, you got unlock, lock, trunk. Let's do unlock. Let's do lock. Nice, it's doing it. And let's do trunk. And so you can see it again, lock. Cool, unlock. All right, and this is the Dodge Charger 2017. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off to the customer. This is actually a local Atlanta key for a Charger. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Perfect. LCDSmartKey.com for one of these for your Dodge Charger, Ram, Journey, Challenger. I do them all. Thank you. Have a good day.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.